name of God, support me. Tell everybody to go out for me. Enjoy. I don't have anything. That is what I put on this project. Please support me. In the name of God, support me. I don't come out to chase cloud. I don't do stunts. It's just because of this film. I'm like, okay, how do I sell this film? I will see. What can I do? But that's a bygone. I'm so sorry about it, honestly. I don't want to dwell too much on that. But I'm just here to plead with Nigerians. Please, in the name of God, help me go out. This is a film that the whole industry came out to watch, and the review has been so amazing that I made a good film. I made a good job. It is not something that I want you to film. It's a bigger project that I spent a lot of things on. So, enjoy. In the name of God, and just help me out. Tell everybody that it's a film that I can I can be boastful about. I can like walk with my head so high, but at the same time I need to beg you guys, in the name of God, please show me some love. Please go out to support me. Please, I did not give any award. It was just also no award was given to anybody. No award was given to Bob. No award, but Bob even know that it came like to to help me out. You understand? To help me out. You understand? So no award was given to anybody. Nothing was given to anybody. It was all just stunts. Nothing was given to anybody. Everything that happened was just all stunts, and I'm so sorry. Nothing was given. The owner of the money, the owner of the award was the statement I put out last night, on Instagram. I said so that Bossy Ajao is our winner. You understand? And one other person that we've not, the team are still, trying to look into. So please, everything was just, nothing was given to anybody at the premiere. It was just us. So please, in the name of God, forgive me. Please go all out there for me. I don't have anybody. I don't have anyone. Please support me. Support me. The name for me. Celebrate. Tell everybody. A lot has gone down. I've been stressing myself just to do a lot on my own. If I didn't do it, who will do it? So please, nothing was given to anybody. Nothing was given to anybody. Just to be alone. Please go allow to support me. Can you tell everybody? Can you tell your friends? Take your family out. In the name of God, I've spent a lot on this film. I've spent a lot. I'm a girl that is trying to survive, and I don't believe in it's